Thank you for clicking on this video and really glad to have you here. I've got a really good one for you in this video because I'm going to give you 5 main things that you need to do if you want to make money online. And you've probably heard that before. You've probably seen thousands, millions of posts. This is how you make money. This is the right way. This is the next best thing. This video is for you if you're getting a bit fed up, if you're looking to replace your 9 to 5 income, if you're looking to genuinely make money. I'm going to tell you 5 things that will genuinely help you. So there's no gimmicks here. I'm not going to spend ages on each point. I'm not going to sell you any products. I'm just going to give you 5 things that has worked for me over the last 20 years. I started making money online in 2003, so over 20 years. I've released over 50 ClickBank products. I have a full running SEO business. I do one-on-one client work. I won't go on about myself, but I've made money successfully for the last 20 years online, a little bit over 20 years. And here's the cool thing before we get into the video, and I promise I won't make it long. If you like it, do subscribe. I'd love to have you as a subscriber. I've got more stuff coming on these points that need expanding a little bit. But here's the cool thing. Yes, you can absolutely make money online. But I'm going to run through the 5 things and you'll see where, or I'll tell you my thoughts on where people fall down and why there's so many people struggling. Okay, so let's get straight into the video. If you're just interested in getting going super fast, do check out the AI Income Operating System. That's my flagship course. I've put it in the comments and the description, and it will give you 5 income streams that I recommend that you start with. Not a sales pitch, but if you want to check it out, it's below the video. Okay, so let's get straight into it. The first thing that you need to do, and again I won't spend ages on these points, I'll just give them to you, but do write them down because they really help you. Number 1, you want to know your goal, your target money goal. Okay, and I know you might be rolling your eyes, you've probably heard that a lot, but these all contribute to people failing online. Okay, a lot of people that fail online or don't get anywhere haven't really got a target in mind. What they're doing is they've got a mindset of, I'd like to replace my income, my 9 to 5 income, or I'm just going to see if this works. The reason you don't want to do that is because it's not real. You won't carry on in most cases. What I mean by setting goals is load up your bank account, work out what's going out of your bank account each month on average, and work out how much you need to make to cover those costs, and then add another $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, something that you're comfortable with. Meaning, if I paid all my bills and all my commitments and I was making an extra $3,000, $4,000 a month, how would that feel? Really good. You then have 3,000, 4,000, or whatever you want, 10,000. It doesn't really matter on the target, but here's the thing. You want to have the target there so it does motivate you. So $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 over what you need, and then you've got some money for your recreation, what you want, and you've also got some money for saving or whatever you're doing. Set your targets, because once you've got that figure, you can build your whole business around it. That's the first thing. Really simple. 99% of people don't do it at all. In fact, I'd actually say straight away that most people don't even know how much they need to make. They've got a rough idea and they make the same amount each month, but they wouldn't really know to the cent or to the penny what they would need to make. So do that first, and make it simple. Work out what's going out on average, work out what you need to have coming in, and then set a goal based on that a little bit more, so you know if you were making that money you'd actually be making money. Okay, so that's the first thing. The second is have a plan of action. Again, a really simple one, but let me explain this. By a plan of action I mean have something that you're going to build that will get you a result. Again, really simple, but what I recommend to explain this so it makes sense to you is I recommend that you build assets. Now, a lot of the problems that I see with people online, what they do is they jump around from product to product, information product to information product, absorb thousands of hours of information, all with different techniques, all with different ways of making money, and they end up getting burnt out because all they're doing is learning it. Okay, I won't spend ages on this point, but you can see this replicated across every industry where people want a result, whether it's getting fit, going to the gym, thousands of diets, thousands of books, not without value, I'll say, but we all know that the simple way that you lose weight is to eat less calories than what you're burning. That's it. Okay, and all the rest you can expedite the results, you can increase the results, but the amount of people that will get to the gym 3 times a week is far less than the people buying the courses and the books. The same thing is online, whether it's property investing, learning everything and not taking that gamble, not doing it. Same thing online. So the way you escape that trap is by working out a plan of action. I recommend that you do it this way. Here's the value. Build assets. What I mean by assets is build income streams that then can be sold at a later date. An example of this is those 50 ClickBank products I was telling you about. I sold most of those ClickBank products for a really, really good profit, even the ones that were making $1,000, $2,000 a month. Still sold for really, really good money, because if you have an asset that's making money, people will take that asset from your hands for money. I don't mean that you have to build everything to sell, but that's what I mean by asset. Build income streams that then are a business, then are making money, all set up, and then you can sell at a later date. So an example of this would be your own product. You could sell products as an affiliate as long as you've got your own site, so that site is worth money. When I started out, and I won't spend ages on this point, but when I started out, this was a mistake that I made. I made really, really good money promoting a World of Warcraft leveling guide. A World of Warcraft leveling guide, and I was promoting it from a blog that was free. A blogspot blog, so I didn't own it, and I was making good money. I was making more than what I was earning at my 9 to 5. I was making a good $2,000 a week, but I didn't own any of it. It was a free blog. So by asset I mean build something that you own. That's of value. Now if you want to see an example of assets, go to Flipper. Flipper.com. Faceless YouTube channels, affiliate sites, your own product, that sort of thing are all assets, and you can see, like you're seeing on the page now. Hang on, let me just go to sold. You can see these products selling. Hang on, let me bring up sold so you can actually see. 1 second. So you've got like these products. This is YouTube channels, but you've got like products that are actually selling. And again, you can click on any of these. All of these are assets. Service businesses, digital agencies, social media accounts with followers, iOS apps. There's many, many different ways. KDP, Kindle books, Amazon stores, lots of different ways. But work out a plan of action which is the most congenial income stream for you to build. Focus on one thing and make sure that you're building an asset. Okay, third one, and this will help you with number 2. Third one is build for a result. What do I mean by that? Another failing is that people know a plan of action and they start working on it and they don't make money. Normally because they don't carry on long enough to get a result. Now whether you're building an affiliate site, a YouTube channel, a Kindle book, a service business, you have to build till you get a result. And the reason being is once you've got a result, it makes everything easier. Let's say we're building an affiliate funnel. and we just build and we promote it and it doesn't make any sales. Well, we're right back at square one. But the moment I get one sale in, I can see how many people it took to view the page till they purchased. I can then look at the figures, I can see what they actually purchased, and I can do more of the same. So ideally you want to get your first 10, 20 sales, see who's buying, see the demographics of that without going too complicated. You want to build for a result. So get your first sale, get your first view, get your first client. Most people don't do that. They dabble, they spend the time building and are worn out because it's hard work, and then they don't get a result. The other thing is, which I'll cover in number 5 actually, but build for a result. Keep going until you get a result with one income stream. Number 4, which is I sort of mentioned in number 3, but number 4 is track results. Get enough out there to get a result. Once you get a result, do more of the same. An example, a faceless YouTube channel. You build and you put 10 videos out there, and 2 of the videos do well. What do? You do more of the same that you did in the 2 videos that did well to boost your results. Very, very simple, I know, but these are the 5 things that people aren't doing. Okay, so if it was an affiliate site and you're building it and you stick 20 reviews on that affiliate site, Amazon affiliate products, and only one of those products sell, it's not the other 19 wasted, because it took you 19 posts, but now you've got one thing that's selling. Do more content around that thing that's selling. Very, very simple, but most people won't do the 19 posts. They won't get out there. Okay, and then number 5, once you're tracking results, do more of the same. Number 5 is there are no gimmicks. You probably don't need more info. You probably need to take some of the info that you've got and start applying it on one thing. And the example I'll give here is AI. Now, when I got started 20 years ago, sounding like an old man, but when I got started 20 years ago, AI, you sort of think back and all the stuff you were doing manually, it would be absolutely amazing. So why with AI aren't there millionaires walking around? Because AI, what it normally does is just give you another mass of information. You can research, you can look for something, you can see how to do things really, really quickly, but actually applying what I've covered in those top 4 points, most people still aren't doing it, and AI currently can't do them for you. So AI can make them easier, can definitely help you plan your goals, plan an action, help you with a building plan, but that's my recommendation. I hope it makes sense, guys. 5 of the main points, and if you do those 5 things, you will be making good money online. Quick run through. Know what you're going for, know your targets properly, like what we covered. Number 2, pick one income stream and then carry on. Number 3, until you get a result. Number 4, do more of the same that got you that result. And number 5, there are no gimmicks. You probably don't need more info, you just need to apply it. Back to number 2, make sure that you're building assets, because even if the asset doesn't do too well, let's say you get an affiliate site out there, it makes you $100 a month. Not brilliant, not groundbreaking. You can then go round and sell a site that's making $100 for around $2,000, $1,000, $1,500 easy. So you don't need to have massive success to start making really, really good money. All you need to do is have assets that are working for you, build them, and keep going till you get a result, and then be able to do more of the same that brought you the result. So I hope that helps. I hope it's given you something, even if you knew a lot of it, another perspective, a way of looking at it. If you liked it, do give me a thumbs up, do subscribe, and if you just want to get going fast and you want help with those 5 things, check out the AI income operating system. It is in the description. Cheers for watching, guys, and I'll speak to you soon.